This 2019 Grand Design Momentum 397th is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Ocala, Florida, 34473 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 43 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, Slideout, and 157 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bedroom, front entertainment, kitchen island, loft, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear entertainment, rear living area, 2 entry, exit doors, 2 full baths. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.